Okay, I've opened my soju bottle. Should I drink a little? Oh, I'm scared. I have a tummy ache thinking about it. We have to. We have to let it process through my body. Otherwise, it's not gonna. You know, I have to give my opinions while I'm slightly a little tipsy or something. It's just a bottle of soju. It says 12%. By 375 milliliters. I'm not gonna like that. I have a full bottle of water next to me too. Okay, I'm gonna pour it into a cup that I have next to me, and I'll mix it with my Sprite. How much of this should I mix? I do like 1 to 1. Doesn't need to be made. Hold on, I'm not ready. Ooh, okay. Here's my first sip. Okay, everyone. Here's my first sip of soju on stream. It's different. It's so different. It's like whenever I drink, I'm doing it in front of friends. So I'm like socially drinking. And when I drink, my friends are like, lol, you know? But it's like the end outcome is that I'm drinking with friends. But it feels a little different. I mean, I have you guys, but it's a lot different sitting at home in front of my computer drinking alcohol. Like, it just feels kind of... It's a much different experience where I'm sitting alone drinking alcohol.